Hi everyone, today on Calby and Rocko Cat we're going to use my Epiphone Les Paul Standard on the bridge pickup, and we're going to give you a little demo of the analog delay and then adding the warm overdrive of the Flamma over here, and then later adding compression to it. Then I'm going to be switching over to the hot overdrive just to give you a demo of it. So first, this is what the JOYO MA-10B amp sounds like, with no delay or anything, just flat. Now we're going to color it up with the delay. Add the warm overdrive. I'm going to show you here by first turning it right down. Up to 9 o'clock. Up to noon. Up to 3 o'clock. And now, full gain. Now I'm going to add just a little more volume. Bring that up to noon. That's better. The compression to it. I'm going to start with the compression down at nothing. Bring that up to 9 o'clock. To noon. Three o'clock. Now full compression. One thing I've noticed is sustain for days. Now we're going to switch it straight over to the hot. Keep it on where it is, and you'll notice it's almost a 10 decibel level boost. For the sake of the video, I'm going to incorporate the Flamma amp as a Bluetooth speaker, throw in some drums, and do a little bit of a jam here. Cal B here for Rocko Cat. Be happy, everyone. Simply be happy.